Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. Today we will be doing a simple word problem on fractions. So let's start with reading the question. There are some animals in a farmhouse. 2 by 11 of the animals are goats and rest are cows. There are 63 more cows than goats on the farmhouse. How many animals are there on the farmhouse altogether? Okay, so what do we have here? What do we get from reading the question? So let's read it slowly this time, one more time. So there are some animals in a farmhouse. So let's say this is my farmhouse. Okay, this is my farmhouse, and 2 by in which 2 by 11 of the animals are goats and rest are cows. So let's say if there are 11 animals. Okay, so let's say this each one represents one animal. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So out of 11, 2 are goats. These 2 are goats and rest are cows. Okay, rest of them are cows. So you can see here that of every 11 animals we have 2 goats and rest are cows. So how do we represent it in the form of a model? So as you can see here, our fraction is 2 by 11, where 11 represents the total number of animals, right? This represents total number of animals, right? And here 2 is number of goats. So how we draw a model for this? Simple, just draw a big bar and then divide it into 11 equal parts. So let's do that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's this represents 11 units, right? And this is basically the total number of animals. So out of these 11 units, how many are goats? 2, right? So we can represent it here. So these 2 are for the goats. So how about the rest? The rest are cows. So we can write it here. So it's pretty obvious from the model that out of 11 units, 9 units are cows. So what do we get from our model? Cows are 11 unit minus 2 unit is equals to 9 unit. Now let's read the other part of the question. It is, there are 63 more cows than goats on the farmhouse. So what does it mean? Obviously we can see here the number of units of cows is 9 unit. However, the number of units of goats is only 2 units, right? So they are more. Cows are more. How much more? 63, right? But how about in terms of units? So the difference is 9 unit minus 2 unit is 7 unit, right? There are 7 units more cows than the goats, right? So we can easily equate 7 unit to 63. So how much will be our 1 unit? 63 divided by 7. That will give you 9. Okay, now let's read the last part of the question. It is, how many animals are there on the farmhouse all together? That means what is the total number of animals, right? So how do we find that? It's easy. We know that the total number of units of animals is 11 units. So straight away we can find how much will be 11 units. So which will be 11 times 9 will give you 99. Alright. So how can we write our answer? So there are solution will be, there are 99 animals altogether. Okay, so that was a very simple question, and hope you like the solution. Thank you very much.